Hello everyone, my name is Sujan. I am a student. Today I want to tell you about my family, my school, and how I learn English every day. I live with my family. My family is small, but very happy. I have my father, my mother, and me. We love each other very much. My father works very hard. He goes to work every day. He helps many people. He loves me a lot. He always says, "Sujan, study well, make us proud." My mother is very kind. She cooks delicious food for us. She helps me with my homework. She smiles at me and says, "Sujan, speak in English with me." My parents always help me learn new things. They buy me books and pens. They tell me, read books every day. Books are your best friends. I love my parents very much. They are my world. I want to make them happy, so I study hard every day. I go to a good school in my town. My school is not very big, but it is very clean. There are many classrooms. There is a nice playground too. I have many friends in my school. We play together, we read together, and we help each other in studies. My teachers are very kind and friendly. They teach us all subjects. My favorite teacher is my English teacher. He is very smart. He always smiles. He says, "English is easy. Speak simple words. Make short sentences. Repeat again and again." I listen to my teacher carefully. I write notes in my notebook. I read them at home and repeat them many times. In English class, we read stories. We ask questions and we answer in English. Sometimes my teacher plays games with us. It is so fun. At break time, I eat snacks with my friends. We try to talk in English. We laugh when we make mistakes. We learn from our mistakes. After school, I come back home. I wash my hands and eat lunch. Then I help my mother with some work. After that, I sit to do my homework. I finish my math, science, and other subjects first. Then I practice English. I read one small story, write 5 new words, and make short sentences. I read them loudly. Sometimes I watch English cartoons. I listen to how they talk. I try to copy their words. It helps my speaking. At night, I sit with my father. He asks me to tell him a short story in English. I try to speak slowly. My father smiles and says, "Very good, my son." I feel happy when my parents are proud of me. It makes me want to learn more. On Sundays, I clean my books and bag. I arrange my notebooks. I write my plan for the new week. I write in English. My plan is simple. Read English every day, write one small story, speak to myself in English, and listen to one English video. I also write my goals. My goal is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to many countries. I want to meet people and talk to them. I know English is very important today. If I know good English, I can get a good job. I can help my family, and I can help poor people too. My teacher always tells me, "Practice makes you perfect. Never stop learning." I remember his words every day. Sometimes I feel tired and sometimes I feel sleepy, but I do not stop. I read one page even if I feel lazy. This is my rule. One day, I want to become a teacher. I want to teach English to many students. I want to tell them, speak with love, speak with courage. English is your friend. I also want to write my own stories in English. I want to share my stories with the world. I want people to read my books and feel happy. Now, I want to tell you, my friends, if I can learn English, you can too. I was shy before. Now I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. Please read one page every day. Write one sentence every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch easy English videos. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Do not be afraid. Do not feel shy. We all make mistakes, but we learn from them. One day, you will speak English confidently. You will talk to people from other countries. You will feel very happy. I believe in you, and I believe in myself. Let's practice together. Let's help each other. Let's make our dreams come true. Thank you so much for listening to my story about my family, my school, and my English practice. I hope you liked it. Please keep practicing every day. Keep smiling, keep reading, and keep speaking English. See you in my next story. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.